Hi, I'm Cassidy with over 25 years of teaching experience, helping people connect deeper into their body with intentional movement. I know how important it is to spiral, rotate, and stabilize with control. In this final part of our Core Reflex Reboot series, we're integrating everything we've built. Flexion, extension, and side bending into flowing rotational movements that support your body's natural intelligence. Healing is a process of coming back into connection. You don't need to do everything perfectly, you just need to show up. If a movement feels awkward or weak, that's where your attention is most needed. Modify as needed and practice consistently. 4 times a week is ideal. You'll build the strength and responsiveness that lasts. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start with thoracic mobility. You're going to do this 4 times per side, lying down on your back, knees bent, feet flat, extending both arms to the ceiling. You're going to exhale and slowly rotate your torso to one side as you look in the direction of your rotation. And then inhaling to come back to home base and repeating on the other side. You want to make sure that you're keeping your hips stable and you feel the rotation originate through your rib cage and the middle of your spine. Hopefully you notice your rotation increasing as you repeat the reps. Remembering to keep your jaw soft and your face relaxed. Nicely done. Sitting up, going into the seated spiral curl. You're going to have your knees bent, feet flat, your arms crossed over your chest. You're going to exhale, gently curl your tailbone under and rotate your torso to one side. Pause. Feel your obliques engage. You're going to do this 3 times per side. You're going to finish with a prone diagonal reach. You're lying down on your belly, arms in goalpost shape. You're going to inhale to prepare, and then on your exhale, reach one arm overhead forward as you reach diagonally with that arm and engaging the opposite leg long and slightly engaging that leg in the opposite direction so you have a nice diagonal reach. As you're doing this, you want your opposite arm and opposite hip to stay grounded. You're going to alternate sides, doing it 3 times per side. Focusing more on the length than the height. And then going into a child's pose. Breathing into the back and side of your ribs. And then coming up to sitting. Nicely done. You did it. You've now completed the Core Reflex Reboot series. 12 thoughtful movements to retain and restore your deep foundational support. When practiced regularly, these exercises wake up your core from the inside out without force, strain, or equipment. I look forward to seeing you in the next series. Bye for now.